Live your Western Colorado dream on this private 40-acre retreat. The 3-bedroom, 4-bath ranch-style home blends rustic character with modern convenience. Every detail has been designed for comfort while maintaining an authentic Western feel. Custom woodwork, moss rock fireplaces, and thoughtful updates throughout give the home warmth, charm, and efficiency. Outside, open meadows provide space for horses, gardens, or an orchard, and the strong water supply supports landscaping, livestock, and everyday living with ease. The grounds are groomed with walking trails, and wildlife is abundant. While the property feels private and secluded, it remains conveniently located just minutes from Hotchkiss and within easy reach of Montrose. Whether you're seeking recreation, quiet country living, or your own western slope getaway, this Colorado retreat offers the space, scenery, and serenity to make it truly exceptional. This peaceful setting offers the perfect balance of wide open space, natural beauty, and comfortable year-round living. For a private qualified showing, please contact Twyla Giroux or visit HaydenOutdoors.com today.